Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain has suffered from a sell-off as well, nearly 10% to the downside. What we did here is we crossed below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 12.2 cents, which is why I believe that we are now going to see either immediately or after another smaller pump to the upside that we're going to see this 10.5 cent Fib level, the 0.786. What I think in terms of where we are is, if we take here the Elliott wave count, obviously we started down here, on the 28th of September or 29th with a new move to the upside, and that would take us here to a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 to the upside. After which you then naturally get an ABC correction. Yeah, as you might know if you follow me on the other channel as well. Overall, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would see this as a larger wave 1. Yeah, so this is a larger wave 1, of which this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a part. And now, as I said, I think we are going to get into an ABC correction. So it will be looking like, let me just put it onto the chart, and that's my view, how it should be looking. So you basically come down in an A, somewhere here, probably the B, and the C to the downside. That's what I would think. From here, then we're going to continue to go up. That is my primary expectation. Looking at current target levels, so we have obviously come into or moved beyond the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level here of 12.2 cents. By the way, this is the 4-hour chart. Yeah, this is basically here. The 12.2 cents was an important support level, the golden ratio, the 0.618 Fib level. So if I put here some target levels on the chart now, so we've got the ideal, retracement for this sort of move would be between here, the 0.618 down all the way to the 0.887 Fib level here. So somewhere in here, in this area, in this target range, I would expect a move to the upside. Yeah, so this would then be that wave B, where we come up once more, and we can, and let me again, and you can see that this yellow target box obviously is sitting between the 0.618 and the 0.887. So these are, again, the ideal target levels for such a correction that you come down to, that you retrace into. And now we can take it from the other way around, because we need to determine how far could that wave B now retrace, and just make an assumption that we might have now here seen the low. So we come all the way down to here, and then can assume that that wave B might come up or might retrace to the 0.618, again seen from the other side, somewhere between the 0.618 and again the 0.786 maybe, so somewhere in this range again. And I'll put that range again here into this target box here. No, it needs to be that one. And there you go. That's what I would believe primarily, that we then come up once more into this area. From there, I would say we then come down in a wave C, again a little bit lower than the wave A. So, but I would still think it will be somewhere in this target range here, between those Fib levels. So maybe somewhere at here the 10 cent level. Yeah, and after that, I would expect a move to the upside, as long as we don't sell off below this 8.2 cent level, which is that previous low here. Yeah, you can see that, the beginning of that wave 1. Until we stay above that level, I remain bullish on VeChain. Yeah, VeChain is a great project. I think I wouldn't even be concerned about any further moves to the downside, even if we go into a larger correction. I think VeChain is, for me, it's hard to say it's a safe bet, but it is it's a great project with great partners, and in my view, a bright future. So yeah, this is what I think. I think from here, as I said, somewhere in this target range, and we could come down once more, maybe even here to the 10 cent level now even, because this is also the support of this channel that we've got on the chart here. You can see that here. And from there, then we could go up into a wave B, yeah, and then come down in wave C, after which again, you know, you would expect here a move to the upside that would then take us, yeah, maybe to levels of, you know, 18 levels and above, because this is here that previous high, that previous wave 5, you know, and we would then move obviously beyond that. And yeah, this is how it's looking currently for VeChain. Overall, looking here on the indicators, you can see that we were also touching here the oversold range on the 4-hour chart, indicating as well that you know, a reversal here to the upside is imminent. This could be traded, it could be. Overall, I would use this area here to get into positions. Yeah, this yellow area to get into positions. You know, we are only 11.5 cents. We were already here at, and this was only a couple of weeks ago, already at 18 cents. You know, so there you go. I think this is a good area to go in. Possibly then sell. You know, if you want to in this area here. And then go in once more when we come down once more into this target range, which I would expect. Overall here on the daily as well, we can see that we came down quite close into the oversold, not yet in the oversold range, but we came quite far into the bearish range. But that again would indicate that we come and see a reversal at some point here. Overall, you can see the uptrend. Yeah, you can just see it on the chart if you zoom out, and it's a really, really strong cryptocurrency that hasn't really gained much attention here in the second half of the year, unfortunately, in my view. Yeah, but I think the time will come, and it's currently clearly in an uptrend. You can see that even in an ascending channel here. Overall, yeah, I'm positive here on VeChain. So hopefully you liked that video about VeChain. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.